Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. You're watching 412 PSE Kustomz here on YouTube. Okay, so today this is just a quick update video. If you guys remember, this is Marucci and Gaffney's shop truck. Their shop guys use this to haul skids around. It's kind of an older F-Series pickup that they threw a stake bed on because the bed was just destroyed. So here's the update. Not sure how many of you remember me saying on that video that we were going to add a mini nRoads bar to this build. So that's what we have here. 24-inch nRoads mini bar mounted on an Akari third brake light mount. So if you remember, the front headlights on this truck flash green white, and then we have amber white to the back with our 4x2s. So we went with a green amber on this one just to make sure that they could take this and deliver stuff to the turnpike jobs and stuff. Well, just fire it up. Alright guys, there you have it. I would say that took the warning on this truck up another level. I was here actually building this truck, and one of their heavy duty drivers that hauls around their big equipment, he came up to me and pulled me to the side and said, you know, can you put a light bar on the roof of that truck? He said, I was pulling onto the job one day and he had his warning lights on, but because there's nothing up high on that roof, he says, I couldn't see him. I didn't know he was there. He said, I almost wiped him out. So there's the good reason for putting that nRoads mini bar up on the shop truck. And then there's the back. I'm sure you notice the infamous X pattern that we always do. I think it worked out pretty nice. Hopefully these guys can be seen now. If you like this video and want to see more, hit that thumbs up button. It really helps us out. It lets a lot of other people on YouTube see our videos. If you haven't already, we ask that you subscribe. We've heard that if you subscribe, you're looking at 10 years of good luck. I mean, I can't say that for sure, but that's just what I've heard. All right, guys, be kind to everybody out there. Be kind to each other. Until next time, stay safe out there. So I wanted to get a full sunlight walk around of this truck for you guys.